Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Now, let's get into it. Apple is known for its innovation and design, but sometimes it also borrows some ideas from its competitors. And that's okay, because good artists copy, but great artists steal. And we think Microsoft should do the same, because there are some features in macOS and iPadOS that we would love to see in Windows 12. The first feature is live Screensaver wallpapers. These are wallpapers that slowly move and transition into a still image and you log into your desktop. They add a nice touch of animation and depth to your screen, and they look gorgeous on Apple's devices. Windows has supported live wallpapers before, with Windows Vista Ultimate's Dream Scenes, but that feature was short-lived and abandoned by Windows 7. We think it's time for Microsoft to bring it back, and make it even better with AI-powered dynamic wallpapers that can create parallax effects based on your movements. The second feature is widgets on the desktop. Widgets are small apps that display useful information or shortcuts on your screen. They can be anything from weather, calendar, news, stocks, notes, or even games. You can customize them to suit your needs and preferences, and place them anywhere on your desktop. Windows 11 introduced widgets as a dedicated panel that slides out from the left side of the screen, but we think that's not enough. We want to be able to pin widgets directly on the desktop, like we could with live tiles in Windows 8 and Windows 10. And we want them to be interactive, so we can tap or click on them to perform actions or open apps. macOS 14 and iPadOS 17 have both added this capability, allowing users to undock widgets from their panels and place them on their home screens or desktops. They also made them interactive, so you can do things like play music, check messages, or control smart home devices from your widgets. We hope Microsoft is working on this feature as well, because we know they have the technology and the talent to make it happen. The third feature is a customizable lock screen. The lock screen is the first thing you see when you turn on your device, and it should be a reflection of your personality and style. It should also be functional and informative, showing you things like date and time, notifications, battery status, or quick settings. Windows has a very basic lock screen that doesn't offer much customization or functionality. You can only change the wallpaper and the app that shows at-a-glance info. You can't even change the font or position of the date and time or check missed notifications. We want Microsoft to copy the iPadOS lock screen, which has a lot more options and features. You can add widgets to your lock screen, showing you things like weather, reminders, photos, or music. You can also view missed notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen. And you can change the size and font of the date and time to match your taste. These are just some of the ways that Apple has improved its lock screen experience, and we think Microsoft should do the same for Windows 12. So those are the three features that Windows 12 should steal from macOS Sonoma and iPadOS 17. What do you think? Do you agree with our picks? Are there any other features that you would like to see in Windows 12? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. See you next time.